Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Nev's Garage. Now if this is your first time joining us, please hit that subscribe button, toggle on the bell, that way you'll be notified when our next video comes out. Don't fast forward to it now though, because today we've got a great episode featuring this 2001 Cayenne KQ Ford Laser, right? Going to be replacing the front sway bar bushers. It's a real simple job. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's also going to apply to late model Mazda 323 vehicles. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so we've got our car jacked up. It's on safety stands. We've got a wheel off. Now if we follow a sway bar in along the control arm and the cross member, we can see where the mounts are. Okay, there they are there. See that little strap over that D-shaped bush? That's our sway bar mount bushers. Alright. Now the bolts come down from the top, so we've got to slide underneath and undo them. Okay, so that's those bolts out, right? So now we've got to do the same to the other side so that we can pop the new bushers in. Alright, so we're going to both undone now. Okay, and you can see that the sway bar is loose at the back now on the mounts. So what we can do is remove the old mounts and get ready to fit our new ones. So first of all, we'll just slide them sideways like this so they're easy to get at. Take the saddle off. Okay, and you'll notice that the back has a slot, the front has a hole. So we're just going to keep them the same way around. Sit them down on the floor. There's our old rubber bushers. Okay. Fling them over a rainbow. It's going to give the bar a bit of a wipe where they were. It's going to be clean anyway because they were dry. Okay, cool. And we've got our packet of new bushers. Right, they're Super Pro urethane. They have a lifetime warranty, which is awesome. And they look like this. Alright, so before you go and buy these bad boys, just measure your bar to check that you are buying the right size. And what we're going to do now is just lube the bush up with the special jizz they come with. We're just going to squirt a heap inside like that, and basically just open the bush and put it over the bar. Like that. Put any excess into the gap here. Push it along the bar to where it sits. About there, cool. Sit out, strap over top of it again. Like that. And just wipe any excess off with your finger. Alright, so we'll position that later with our bolts. That's one of them done. So now let's do the other side. Alright, cool. So now we've just got to bolt them back in. Alright guys, so there we go, got our bushers in there. There's the right hand side one, looking sweet. Here's our left hand one in there, also looking sweet. You can really see how much more solid it is now. We've got new sway bar links here too. If you haven't watched that video yet, crack on over and watch it. She's a ripper. So with the new links and the new bushers in the front, that bar is really sturdy now. It's going to make a big difference to our driving. So I reckon it probably would be good to chuck some new ones in the back. So let's go and do that. Alright guys, so the back bushers Super easy. Don't even have to take the wheels off. All the fasteners come out from underneath. So we've got two up behind this rear cross member here. Get our ratchet up there with our long 14. This one out with our rattle gun. Boom. And now the other side, same thing. Alright, and that bar will just swing back off the brackets and come down like that. Slip the hoops down. Take our old sloppy bushes off. Happy birthday to the bin with them. Boom. Clean up our bar a bit. Once again, we've got nice Super Pro urethane bushes, lifetime warranty. Again, measure the bar before you go and buy them, just to make sure you're getting the right size to suit your vehicle. Special jizz. Some on the bar too. Other bush, same deal. Okay, cool. Back on with our brackets. So the slot goes towards the back. You can see the tide mark on the body. Didn't realise they were different before, but they are. So slip it up on the bush, and the sticky icky we'll hold it there, and just position the bar. Boom. It does have thrust collars on the bar, which is cool. Probably a must when you have sway bar links this long. And onto the bolts like that. Excellent. Just put some of this excess grease on the threads of these studs here, because there's always time for lube. Start the bolt up through the body. Anything for this side. Nuts on the back. And zap it all up. And just torque them up by hand. Lovely. Cool. There they are. Front done, back done, all good. Alright guys, well, we've got our nice new sway bar mount bushes fitted now, and I hope you stayed to the end and saw our bonus rear bush change as well. We've tightened the old girl up really well. She's going to be a lot tighter to drive, a lot safer, and a lot quieter. Anyhow, hope you subscribed. If not, still a chance to do it. Hit it quick. But for now, that's about it from me, and I'll see you next time on Nev's Garage.